Hi viewers, welcome to the Awadhi Language YouTube channel. Today in the 12th lesson of Awadhi Language series, we will be discussing some of the words that are used in marriage functions. So I have compiled a list of 20 such words that are very commonly used in the marriage rituals in the Awadh region. The first word is Baricha. Baricha can be considered as engagement. So this is a ritual where the family members of the bride and the groom meet each other and offer small gifts, and here the dates are fixed for the marriage. So you can consider this as engagement. Tilak. It is a ritual which is performed a few days before the marriage. In some places it is also performed on the day of marriage also. It involves the groom as well as the brother of the bride. Next is Mayan. Mayan is also known as Matri Pujan. It is performed at bride as well as groom's place one day before the marriage. Madav. Madav, this word comes from Mandap, which is a place where the marriage rituals are performed. It is a sacred or holy place which is decorated with flowers, and all the rituals are performed at this place. Duar Char. It is also known as Dwar Puja. This ritual is performed when the Baratis or the family members of the groom reach the bride's place. Jaimal. Jaimal is a ritual where the bride and the groom they both stand on a stage and exchange garlands. Khatiya. It is a fun activity which is performed after the marriage is completed and just before the uh, Bidai ceremony. This is a fun activity where the groom and his brothers are made to sit on a bed, and the ladies from the bride's family offer them small gifts, and they often apply some kind of makeup like lipstick, nail polish to the groom's brothers' faces. Panpiao. Panpiao is nothing but offering snacks and juices to Baratis when they reach the bride's place. Biyah is Vivah, which is marriage. Khichdi, it is a small ritual where the groom and his brothers are fed khichdi and small gifts are also offered to them. Parchan, it is a ritual which is performed just before Bidai. Bidai is the ritual of the bride moving out with groom. Similarly, there is a word like chauka, mati mangra. Next is dulha. Dulha is groom. Dulhin is bride. Parja. Parja is a word which comes from praja. Praja means public. So when a marriage is performed in the Awadh region, the involvement of Nau, which is the barber, and Dhobi is very important. So these people are known as Parja, and both the parties offer them some gifts also. Tara Tire. This is a ritual which is performed at the groom's place near a pond. Pau Puji. Pau means leg, Puji means to worship. So in this ritual, the family members of the bride worship the feet of the bride and the groom both. Kohbar. Kohbar is also a ritual which is performed after the marriage ritual is completed. And there is a very popular novel with the name Kohbar Ki Shart. Uh, there was a movie also based on the novel Nadiya Ke Par and Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, which is a urban version of Kohbar Ki Shart. Preeti Bhoj. Preeti means with love. Bhoj means food. So you can consider this as reception where Both the family members of the bride as well as the groom are invited at groom's place, and uh, they all have food and celebrate. So that's all with these 20 words. Thanks for watching. If you wish to learn more of the words, you can log on to learnawadhilanguage.blogspot.com. Thank you for watching.